Pong in the corner. Pong got rubbed belly.
It's so much.
Quite a small cream, isn't it? Oh, you told me yesterday.
Cool.
What did I drop?
Is there something stuck?
Oh, second. Yeah,
Didn't really track anything.
Oh no, I was gonna say there's like a yellow warning sign just on the screen like a few seconds ago.
What did it say?
I couldn't read.
Thing.
Can you get like one of those?
Nah. I don't want something sweet.
Yeah, that one. That one was nice. I'm like wondering whether I should get one because I'm kind of getting hungry now.
Chicken and mushroom pie.
I thought the Mosbili pie has been like $8 was like expensive enough, but
What
I
did
almost
you get?
didn't realize how mince and cheese
Mint and cheese
pie.
pie.
And their pie's almost like $10.
We went back to lebakermen and got a strawberry matcha and ube coconut.
And I forgot to open the keys.
Yeah, I forgot to open the door. But
Does this thing have a microphone like built in?
yeah, I think so. But then obviously it's if you want to isolate sound, it's probably better to get a microphone. But we'll see. We'll see how the sound is. But yay! Oh. Yay!
One of those sets called like New Zealand ones. Made by Peter Jackson.
They twist with they twist wrong.
So cute.
Weight will snap the ends. So you we don't.
I think he wants to go there.
Oh my god, it looks like our cat.
Throw him over your shoulder, it's fine. But
that's
just if he
lettuce.
whistles, he doesn't know you and he whistles.
Oh my god, it looks so much like our cat.
Julio's got a catio, so his catio
So
has
cute.
got a few other brothers. I'm going to give the kids a little break because I broke them before. I made them so tired. I broke the kittens, so I'm going to give them a little break.
One on the left,
Just the tail.
just the tail.
Cute. Oh, look at that one.
Seems like it's won something too.
Yeah.
Oh, flat face.
So cute. Hello, kitty. So cute.
Yeah. Go rub rub.
Oh, cool.
Same type of kitten,
Oh, look how tiny.
So cute.
Oh, flat face.
Yeah. Oh, they put us big eyes. Hello, big eyes. Hello, kitty.
Look, it's coming.
Aww. Hello. Cute.
I want to touch it, but I know you probably shouldn't.
Yeah. Don't touch it.
No, I want to touch it.
Oh, that's so cute.
the funny one. That was a funny one. And the other one.
So cute. That one's so cute.
So these are all what was really
Eigenlijk kom je hem gewoon niet schmoyen.
Oh, wow, this is a
It's like the cat that I had.
yeah. What a big guy. Hello.
You don't give a shit.
Dang.
Look at his face.
Yeah.
Zoom in on his face. Oh, he doesn't like his face.
Wow, that's a big. These are big cats.
I guess yeah, my one was like that. Yeah. Yeah, Maine Coon. I like Maine Coons. It's a kitten.
Seriously,
Wow.
such a big tail lip, is it?
So cute. Hello, buddy. Wow. Oh, hello. Oh, his first show.
Oh.
Oh. Are you having a good show?
Well, that's like our cat. That is exactly like our cat.
Wow. Oh, look the pochaco.
Yeah, but you
Oh, hello.
oh, thank you.
So cute. It's a big.
Flu.
It's gorgeous. Is it a ragdoll?
I guess so. I actually don't know what.
So cute.
Yeah. 7 years old, so it's getting a bit old. Look at that one.
Oh wow. Looks so good. Hello.
We're trying to get out of his cage. Touch us.
Oh, so cute. Wow. Seems like playful.
Huh?
Seems playful.
Yeah.
This cat is in my aesthetic. Me and this kitty share. Look at that. It's got lots of kibble. Hello, Cootie. Yay.
Look away.
Oh, okay. Good chai. Oh, we're readjusting. It's so cute. And it's like that one.
The black
The Burmese is nice. Oh, look at that one in the corner. Where? Oh yeah, they're like Mofu-san. Oh, Mofu-san.
My whole room overturned and yet, you know, quite stopped.
Frank's in the background there.
But he's like a man, he's like a man kind of cross. Yeah, but he's
So pretty.
Got the thumbs. Max got the thumbs sitting.
Under the blanket. Wow. So funny.
It's circular.
Yeah. So beautiful. I think they want to talk to each other.
Yeah.
Yeah. Cute.
Cool.
Hello.
This one too.
So cute.
That one's scary.
That one's funny.
Yeah.
Hello, kitty.
I wish there's like another button for like zooming in and out separate from the toggle.
But maybe I'm just not used to this yet.
Yeah. Will we like me tomorrow?
No, I'm okay.
So we have a look at here. Maybe we'll like park here and look at Briscoe's Beat Bath and Beyond and both those.
We just finished the cat show.
Yeah.
What did you think?
I want a cat.
Yeah.
Yeah.
They're all so cute. The Abyssinians are really cute.
Yeah.
And then the ragdolls.
Are cute.
Even the Persians. Obviously, the Persians are cute as well.
Any cats are cute.
But like you can tell they're just so well taken care of.
Any cats are cute.
And that the owners love them.
Cats cute.
And I want to take them all.
Yeah. Oh.
They're so cute. I hate that I'm allergic.
Yeah.
But actually I didn't have any allergic reactions. Because I didn't touch them and like put them on my face.
Also, if you take an antihistamine,
Yeah.
I don't know if it helped or.
I don't know.
I don't know either. Well, it's good to just take them just in case.
Yeah. But it was a good experience. And the cats are really cute.
Yeah. Cat cook. Cat cook. Cat cook.
Yeah. Cat cool.
Cat cook.
Yeah.
Do you drink water? And they're like, no. And then they're like, we drink you so you wouldn't get fat. Like,
Fanta.
4 is a Fanta. I want to chip with that.
Oh, that way.
This just shows you haven't really drank canned things. It's good.
This one's good.
Canned things shouldn't be drinking that much. Oh, this is a dream, isn't it?
Oh.
Yeah.
Adult. Pink tint. Is it gonna focus? I still don't really know the focusing of this camera.
It's a bit harder than that.
It's a bit hard.
$86 per month, not bad at all.
And then I've got little naily stickies if I choose to use them.